We're speaking with Kelly Shackelford at the First Liberty Institute, Chief Counsel there. Kelly, a lot of folks these days are looking for, scrambling around, getting information on potential nominees. What kind of research are you guys doing, and what are you looking for in the record of folks that President Trump might pick?
When President Trump came into office, we established a whole effort on judicial nominations to make sure that there was really extensive research on everybody who's being looked at up and down the courts, because these are lifetime appointments. It's so crucial in these lifetime appointments that we get judges who are not going to stray from the Constitution, who are not going to become politicians and try to put their own beliefs in. We've seen a lot of that from judges, and I know President Trump really wants to make sure that that proper judicial philosophy are the people he is putting on the court, and he's done a phenomenal job. We have gotten, I think it's 221 now, federal judges confirmed, and this is the best crop we've ever seen in our country.
How does it happen that the White House and you guys connect?
You've got the White House counsel's office that works for the president that does research. You have the Justice Department that does those things, but they've got a lot of things on their plates. Anytime you can provide information for them to make a better decision, because we know the decision they're trying to make, which is something that we completely agree with. We want judges who are judges, who really do have that blindfold on like Lady Justice, that are going to say, what is the original meaning of the law? What is the original meaning of the text of the Constitution? Not it's a living, breathing Constitution that we're going to sort of imbue into it what we think is right for today. Now that's for the politicians. And we've had too much of that, and it's caused a lot of politicizing of our courts.
It's a wild moment that here we are less than 50 days from the election. A lot of folks saying, Trump, don't pick somebody. Why should he? Why must he? What's so important about this particular time in 2020 that we have a full Supreme Court?
I think that's why President Trump won the election. So many people voted on that Scalia seat in the Supreme Court. They wanted the kind of judges that he promised he would appoint. So I think it's only appropriate when the seat opens up now that he do exactly what the voters voted for him to do, which was nominate great people to the court, and let's get the Senate to get that through. And Paul, I think it's even more important right now because we've got an election coming up. There's all kinds of talk about election contests and lawsuits. We need a full court to deal with that. And we also might have some huge cases in the pandemic on religious freedom and the rights of the church. Those are all percolating up. The last thing we want is like a 4-4 tie at the Supreme Court or not having a full court. So I think it's extra important to get that justice on the court and to have a full court in operation.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Kelly. Appreciate your time. We've been talking with Kelly Shackelford of the First Liberty Institute.